the thought written by Thomas Jefferson, a well-known writer. Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom. The meaning of this thought is, if we are not honest, then there is no value of any type of education, anything. So the first chapter, the first part of our life is start with honesty. If we are not honest, we are dishonest, we tell lie to everyone, then end of the day we will not get happiness. So from the starting, that this thought is say, from the starting we should honest. If we do something wrong, we have to be honest to agree that I done a mistake. This is my mistake. Next time I will not do, or otherwise I will try to do good things. So we should be honest. That should be the first thing in our mind when in the morning we wake up. Now, second thought is, honesty is the best policy. It is very common. If I lose my honor, I lose myself. Here, honesty is related with honor. So, if I dishonest, I am not honorable. I am not respectable. So, if I dishonest, I will lose myself. The story is the flowers that did not bloom. A long time ago, there lived a king who loved plants and flowers. He was gifted gardener. Every seed that he planted grew into a beautiful plant. Every bird that he took care of bloomed into a beautiful flower. The king, however, had one reason for sadness. He did not have a child. He was growing old. He did not know whom to hand over the responsibility of managing his kingdom after his death. One day he had an idea. One second, someone came. One day he got an idea. He would let his flowers help him choose the successor to his throne. Children, meaning of successor to his throne means Vamshadhar. Because he has childless, he had no daughter or son, उनके खुद के कोई बच्चे नहीं थे, तो he was sad कि मेरे बाद मेरे जो राज्य है उसको कौन संभालेगा? Who will the successor of his throne? Throne means Rajgaddi. THRONE, throne means Rajgaddi. You will find out that I will give you later. He made an official announcement in his kingdom. All men and women of his kingdom were to come to the palace on a particular day. The king had something important to where to come to the palace on a day. The king and others important to tell them. Everyone guessing that the king will tell something important because he called each and every citizen of the country in his palace. The people were very excited and full of anticipation. They kept discussing and wondering what it was all about. On the appointed day, the palace courtyard was chock-a-block. Children, chock-a-block means fully covered, fully gathered. All the people gathered in courtyard. Courtyard means, you know, we have courtyard in school also. The courtyard means four-sided covered place in the center. The center place which covered by four buildings, that is called courtyard. The air was full of the many voices talking excitedly. Among the crowd was a young girl called Sharena. Children, this story is from Russia. This is Russian folktale. Russian folktale, not Indian. This is Russian folktale. That girl's name was Serena. She was the only one who did not talk. She was too busy admiring the beauty of the palace. Because the palace is very beautiful. I said earlier that the gardens are there everywhere. So, Serena was amazed to see these beautiful pictures. Soon after, the trumpets sounded and announced the arrival of the king. Trumpets means, you all know, the long sehnai, like instruments. The king greeted everyone and started going to each and every person and presented him or her with something out of small box he carried. What he given? He carried one small box and he given something to each and every person. Little bit that. Finally, he came to Serena. Serena bowed. Bowed means to greet someone, elderly people, to buy the gesture. We in India we do have namaste, and in other side they bowed like down themselves. She did not dare look up and meet the king's eyes. The king greeted her gently, reached into the box and gave her a flower sheet. At the end of the day, the king announced what the king given to all the presenter. He given flower sheets. He given sheets. You know sheets, the small seeds which grow to a plant. The sheets he given to all the presenters. However, can show me the most beautiful flower at the end of the year will become the next successor to the throne. So now king announced that who will give me most beautiful flower from this sheet. You plant this seed and you make a beautiful flower plant from this seed end of the year. Who will give the most beautiful flower? I will hand it over the whole kingdom to them. He or she will be the successor of the throne. Serena went home clutching the seed in her palm and thinking about the king's announcement. She would surely be able to grow the most beautiful flower in the year's time. As soon as she reached home, she filled a pot with soil and planted the seed. Everyone done that. Those who got seeds, they planted the seed in the pot, earthen pot. Like that, Serena also, she planted the seed in the earthen pot, and what she done? She take good care of that seed. One whole year passed very quickly. The year passed very quickly because all are busy to planting seeds and making it flower. So Nishtha More came. Now still students are coming. It was time to return the palace with the flower pot. Children, now it was time to return to the palace to show the beautiful flower plant to the king. Shrina saw the other people coming in gorgeous flowers. Children, here is the back. We will go to the back to the story. The year time, she would surely be able to. Serena thought she will able to grow a plant, but as per her desire, someone is talking. Now, as soon as she reached home, she filled a pot. She started watering it every day. Days passed and then months passed. But what happened? Nothing came out of the seed. There is no plant grow from the seeds. Shrina was sad and worried. She did not know what was wrong. Her plant not grown. It was like soil is there, the seed is not planted as a beautiful flower. And then the day came that I tell early, that then the year came when everyone gathered in the king's palace again with the pot of flowers, and all have gorgeous flowers in their pot. Serena had nothing but an empty pot to show the king after one whole year. She felt ashamed and heartbroken. Ashamed means बहुत दुखी फील करना या shame feel होना. Its meaning is shame. The king arrived. He went to each person in the hall and front of and looked at the flowers. King came and he was very happy to see all the flowers with the hand. People are standing with the flower pot. Serena wanted to vanish till finally she saw the king standing in front of her and looking thoughtfully at the empty pot. Serena was so ashamed and so shameful that she want to vanish. Sometimes we also do that. in some situation we feel so bad that we want to vanish from that place. Same feeling Serena felt that time. Why have you brought me an empty pot? He asked. King asked, why you are coming with an empty pot? Your Majesty, said Shirina, I tried very hard. I watered it every day, but nothing came out of it. The king, what king done? The king took Shirina's hand and took her to the throne. Throne means Rajgaddi, near to that seat where king sat. I have found my successor, he announced. What he announced? He announced, I got my successor. Successor means Uttaradhikari. And in English, there is another meaning you will find out in from dictionary. The sheets give to you were all roasted. They would never have bloomed into flowers. This girl was the only one who had the courage and honesty to bring me an empty pot. Shirena, I rewarded you the kingdom and name of you the next future. Actually, King Given, you can see Serena planted the trees. She was not success. She was unhappy. Nothing planted. Now you see all are standing with the flower pots. But Shirina was very unhappy. You know why? Because the king given unroasted seeds. Unroasted seeds means the seed which are the already drawn, rotate seeds never bloom. जो seeds सड़ जाते हैं वो कभी भी फ्लावर या प्लांट नहीं बनते हैं. तो किंग ने ऐसे ही रोस्टेड सीड्स जो थे सभी लोगों को दिए थे. He given roasted seed to see that there is someone who have guts to say that no. People thought that if we give good flower, they planted artificial from another tree. They planted the seeds in the pot and they grown that thing. Actually, king given roasted seeds. जो शीट्स सड़ चुके थे वो सीड्स ही उन्होंने सबको दिए थे. तो वो तो कोई किसी का प्लांट उगने वाला ही नहीं था. पर इतने सारे लोगों में फ्रॉम दैट सो मेनी पीपल ओनली Shirina was honest to said that the plant not grown. So here actually king want to see the honesty of the person who will be the next successor of the throne. So children, here the moral of the story is you must have guessed honesty was the most important quality that the king wanted to see in his future successor. So the test he took was the test of honesty, nothing else. Nobody other than Serena passed this test of honesty. The other were greedy for the throne. They thought the king could be deceived. Some of them might have felt feared. They must have thought that the king would punish them for not being able to grow the flowers. Shirina's honesty was such that she did not crave for the throne. Her honesty gave her the strength to put in genuine effort to make the second sprout. It enables her to be prepared for all situations. It gives her the courage to tell the king the truth. Honesty goes hand in hand with sincerity and courage. Dishonest people are often cowardly. They are too afraid to face and speak the truth. They are also insincere. They can never be trusted with responsibility of any kind. This is the moral of this story. Children, now one by one, I will ask you questions from this story and I will tell you few words to write in your notebook. See, what we learned from this story. One second, dear. Just finish me, then I am coming to you. Just a few points here we understand from this story is still people are coming. The honest people never use lies in any situation. They never pretend about anything to themselves and others. Honest people can never be influenced by the lies pretended of others. Now, let me see. Yeah, questions are there. I will ask you one by one. We can see you. We will write in chat box, and also I will ask you one by one. Okay. Okay, this story you have in standard fifth. Very good. Then very good, very good, very good. Then you know the story nicely. Huh? Oh, wow. What? Now I will ask you question and I will tell you. Beta, don't unmute. I will tell you to unmute. First, let me give the question. How do you think the other people manage to get beautiful flowers? How do you think the other people manage to get beautiful flowers? Write in chat box and I am giving chance to you. Arman, you say. Unmute yourself, beta, and say what you feel. But लोगों ने कैसे अच्छे flowers लेके आ गए pot में? What you feel, Arman? You can hear me properly, Arman? Yeah.
लगता है कि वो जब ये प्रिंसेस बहुत सैड थी और मैम
हाँ बोलो बेटा. I can hear you. Many writing very nicely. Many people are writing they grow artificial flower or throw the seed given in the king and grow other seed. Very right. Very true. Arya is written, ma'am. They had transmitted with other beautiful flowers. Very good. Tanushka is writing they grow another plant. Yeah, actual. Okay, Arman. Now mute yourself. Mute yourself. Now that boy, Mitraj, can you give me answer? Unmute yourself and give me answer, beta. Then
they buy seeds or they buy artificial flowers or actual flowers in these gardens and like this.
Yeah. Now that girl. Bansri, you can give answer.
Ma'am, they tried to grow the seeds by the king, but after trying many times, they throw the seeds of king and they start growing of their seeds.
Yeah, true. Now many one written right answer. Who is that? Meghna Patel. Tanushka Sutaria. Unmute yourself and give me answer.
Ma'am, I think that they throw the seeds and they grow another plant.
Right, very good. Omni, ये क्या है? Om Music. Om Music on yours. Om Music. Who is Om Music? Please on. Unmute yourself. Very nice name, Om Music. I like to speak. Om Music.
Ma'am.
Oh, you are. Tell.
Ma'am, they throw the seeds or ma'am, they throw seeds and grow artificial flowers and
yeah, you got the answer. I understand you. Understand. Okay. Now, what does it say about them? Think of 3 words to describe them. Give me 3 words about that people who give me 3 words, only 3 words. Those who come with beautiful flower. उनके लिए give me 3 words. Write in chat box and I will ask Bhavya Patel. Unmute yourself and give me answer. Bhavya Patel, can you give me 3 words? The people who are
not honest,
yeah,
greedy,
yeah,
and
oh, very good. And Arya, you are very prompt. I saw you are very prompt to give answers. Arya and Gaurav. Arush, where is Arush? Give me answer. Kshitij Singh also written greedy, selfish, and dishonest. Not honest. No, is right. Wrong answer. Dishonest. Okay, you can write dishonest. D-I-S-H-O-N.
They were unhonest, greedy, and selfish.
Unhonest is wrong answer. Dishonest. Okay, dishonest.
Ma'am, they
Yes,
were
very good.
liar, selfish, and greedy.
Okay. All are right. Okay. Now mute yourself. What kind of a girl is Serena? Think of 3 words to describe her. Same 3 words, not sentence. 3 words for Serena. Which kind of girl she is? Write in 3 words. Now I will give you words to write in notebook. I have to give you.
Ma'am, she is honest, courageous, and truthful.
Very good. Brushali, can you give me answer? Yashvi Shutharia, stop presenting. My presentation will be vanished then. If you present. Yeah. Brushali, can you give me answer? Brushali? Ekta Rana is written honesty, honest, truthful, polite. She is polite also. Truthful also, very good. All alike. This writing work na, I will take print out. I will give you grade na. For that I will take print out. Okay, if you are writing then it is good. If you are giving me answer then it will come in the recording. I will see the recording and I will show you. You will be get your picture with your audio will come, and there I will take print out. Brushali is not there. Okay, who will give me answer? That Yadav, Jignesh Yadav. Beta, you are already unmuted. So tell. You are already unmuted. You're not muted. Give me answer. 3 words for Shirina. Jor se, loud.
The good, courageous and truthful.
Courageous, truthful, and बोलो. Okay.
Ma'am, can I give answer? Ma'am,
हाँ, yes, Nandini.
truthful and polite.
Courageous,
Now,
truthful, and polite. Very good.
Ma'am,
Mute yourself.
honest, truthful. Can I give the answer?
Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Many one unmuted. Vishwa, mute yourself. Rohit. Tharya Rohit, give me answer.
Ma'am, please explain it again.
I asked Sharina which type of girl Sharina is. Sharina कैसी लड़की थी? Give 3 words. Tharya, are you understand?
Ma'am,
Okay, no problem. Sheetal Solanki, yes. Tell. You tell. Sheetal Solanki, you tell.
Sorry,
The answer. Query? Yeah.
Ma'am, she was polite, truthful, and honest.
Very good. Now mute yourself. Last question is, why was Serena the most suitable successor to the throne? Now this answer will give by Nancy. You give, then Bansri will give. Why you think? Last
Ma'am,
question-
because she was a honest girl. He bought her ungrown plant
Good.
to show the king.
Very good. Mute yourself. Now Bansri, you give answer, beta. What you feel? Why?
Serena was the most suitable successor to the throne because the king given roasted seed to everyone and everyone changed the seed. But Serena did not change the seed and come with ungrowth plant. So I think Serena is the most suitable successor to the throne.
Yeah, very good. Now stop. Now, anything else? Okay, now children, this is common question. Do you always have the courage to speak the truth? Yes or no? Answer is yes or no. Write in chat box. Do you courage to say the truth all the time? If you are doing very drastically wrong thing, then also you have courage to say the truth? Yes, I don't think. Sometimes no also, okay? Okay, now next question. When is it especially difficult to be honest? When it is difficult to be honest? I will give you the answer to this question. There is the situation where you feel very difficult to be very honest. If anyone want to give answer, thumbs up. Otherwise, I will tell you. Anyone? There is Arush. Yeah, tell me. Arush, tell me.
I'm in trouble.
In trouble, yes. Mute yourself. Bansari, tell me.
Ma'am. When we are doing literally wrong things, we are difficult to be honest.
Yeah, very good. Now, stop.
Yes.
I feel what I feel. Nandini, you want to tell? Beta, on your video, Nandini, and then speak. Yeah, now speak.
When we have done something very wrong, it is especially difficult to be honest.
Actual, dear, yeah, right. Mute yourself. Actual, when we can't be honest, where we are, no, we love someone, we like our parents, our friends, we love them. That time, if something is that we have to say them, which will hurt them, that time it is very difficult to be honest. To hurt someone you really love, your parents, or suppose something you done very bad and you have to tell your parents, that time it is very difficult to be honest, because you know your parents or your friends or your relatives will get hurt. To hurting someone by your honesty, it is difficult situation, right? I thought that is my personal opinion. Now, children, these questions I already asked in the revision, this third and fourth, their revision worksheet. There you will give the answer. Okay.